On January 16, 2019 in West Memphis, Arkansas, officers approached two individuals, 22-year-old Megan Rivera and 22-year-old D'Angelo Brown, suspected of involvement in a carjacking. When officers signaled for their vehicle to pull over, the driver refused to comply.
Probably 90 miles per hour. We're gonna be 90 miles an hour.
The car, moving erratically through the streets with no license plate and high beams glaring, raised immediate suspicion. Officers initiated a stop, expecting the driver to comply, but instead, the situation escalated.
Okay, I'll stop. Can you shoot over an oncoming traffic again? Alright, he's passing 7. Looks like he's gonna turn. South on 7. He just lost the tire. Yep, he lost the tire. Alright, get somebody beside him. Send him, get beside him. Scoot up, Frederick. Southbound on 7th Street coming up to Jackson. Check, we got units on 9 also. Hey.
As officers attempted to corner the vehicle, the driver made a sudden and reckless move. In the next few moments, the suspects made one final irreversible choice.
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.